Advanced Light Helicopter, ALH, Dhruv is developed by which organization? Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, Bharat Electronics Limited, BAL. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. Explanation. The Advanced Light Helicopter, ALH, Dhruv is designed, developed and manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, an Indian state-owned aerospace and defense company. HAL has a dedicated helicopter division responsible for this type of aircraft. They have a long history of developing and producing helicopters for the Indian Armed Forces and civilian use. Why other options are less suitable? ISRO focuses on space exploration and technology. DRDO is responsible for military technology research and development of various systems like missiles and radar. BAL primarily manufactures electronic equipment for defense and civilian sectors.